How we doing, guys? Brandon McCastle coming to you live from JTech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a dry, no start compression test. So first, you're going to start off by removing your fuel out of the system so that the vehicle does not start, because once again, it's a no start dry compression test. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, we're going to remove our coil.
A normal source would be from 17 anywhere to 21 inches of mercury, which would be around here. Now when you snap throttle, you should always get a 0 reading of vacuum because it should be sucking in air. And then once you release the throttle, it should come back down.
Alright, now we're just going to set that coil aside. Now we're going to go on to remove the spark plug itself.
Alright, straight over.
Alright, set the spark plug aside. Now we're going to straight in our compressor test hose.
How long was that? 1 minute, 35 seconds. Oh, at least 3. How long was yours? On that? 2 minutes and like 40 something seconds.
Alright, now you want to make sure it's all zeroed out. Give your man a go. Clear. And you don't want to stop until it peaks all the way out. Alright. Alright, so peaked out around 142 and a half. So now you're going to do this about 2 or 3 more times to make sure you're getting consistent readings. Clear. Alright, as you can see, that's the same exact result. Zero it out again and try it one more time. Clear. Alright, clear.
What is this thing called?
Guys, that's how you do a dry, no start compression test.